Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Join us as we delve into the iCliniq telehealth platform, exploring its features, user experience, and the range of services it offers. Links to the platform are provided in the description below. iCliniq is a worldwide telehealth platform designed to connect individuals seeking professional medical advice with licensed doctors and specialists, eliminating the need for physical appointments. Whether you're dealing with a minor health issue, seeking a second opinion regarding a complex medical condition, or require ongoing consultations, iCliniq provides access to healthcare professionals across the globe. The platform caters to a wide array of medical specialties, from general medicine and dermatology to gynecology, pediatrics, and mental health, making it a versatile solution for diverse healthcare requirements. One of iCliniq's key strengths lies in its flexibility. Users can select their preferred method of communication, choosing between text-based consultations, phone calls, or video sessions based on their individual needs and the urgency of their situation. This adaptable approach is particularly beneficial for those residing in remote areas, individuals with busy schedules, or anyone who values the convenience of telehealth. iCliniq facilitates comprehensive care by allowing users to upload relevant medical documentation, including medical records, lab results, and images. This feature provides doctors with a detailed overview of each patient's condition, enabling them to offer accurate and personalized medical advice. A unique feature of iCliniq is its Ask a Doctor service. Users can submit health-related questions and receive comprehensive answers from qualified experts within hours. This is especially useful for non-urgent inquiries or follow-up questions related to ongoing treatment. Furthermore, iCliniq facilitates access to second opinions from specialized medical professionals, such as oncologists and surgeons, which can be invaluable when making critical decisions concerning serious health matters. iCliniq offers transparent and competitive pricing, catering to individuals both with and without insurance coverage. Users can choose to pay per consultation or subscribe to plans that provide unlimited inquiries, making it a cost-effective option for those with recurring healthcare needs. Globally accessible, iCliniq provides multilingual support and connects users with doctors located across various time zones, ensuring round-the-clock availability. Whether you're seeking quick medical advice, require a reliable second opinion, or desire ongoing access to healthcare professionals, iCliniq delivers a robust telehealth experience. It presents a convenient and efficient method for managing your health from the comfort of your home. Explore the links in the description to learn more about iCliniq and discover how it can effectively address your healthcare needs.